For the chest part, I cut two pieces 35 inches long and 7 inches wide. Also two pieces 25 inches long and 5 inches wide. And then the last two pieces is 5 inches wide and 25 inches long. I cut 4 pieces of strip, but I only used 2 of that. First, I use an elastic and sew that along the edge to make a ruching. Sew the two pieces together and also don't forget to attach the straps. Now for the bottom front, sew the 3 sides leaving the upper side open. Now fold it in 2 and then find the center. After that, pin it and then sew it in place.